When COVID hit, McChrystal Group was humbled to help many states with their COVID response. And so in past videos, we've talked about operating rhythm. And operating rhythm is the day-to-day meetings that you and your company have. Well, when COVID hit, it was a heightened environment and it was literally life or death stakes. And so we borrowed a concept from the military, and that's called a fusion cell. And so a fusion cell is a little bit different in operating rhythm, but it shares some of those same components. And here's some of the same components you may see in operating rhythm, but are used at a quicker pace inside of a fusion cell. So the first is information. You need to gather all of that info as much as possible, and it needs to be as up to date as possible. So previously, when you may get information on a Friday and it can wait till a Monday, during COVID, we needed to know if there was an outbreak the day of. And so you take that information and you inform the next point, and those are your connections. And so the difference between a standard operating rhythm and a fusion cell that's in the middle of a crisis is that we meet when COVID dictates that we meet. So we take that information and we meet immediately to inform and drive a decision, because that's what information and connection drive. They drive execution. And it was during COVID that this was more evident than ever. And that is the difference between a operating rhythm and a fusion cell is that in that fusion cell, we met at a rapid cadence that wasn't dictated by us. It was dictated by COVID. And using the fusion cell model, we helped many states throughout the United States respond to COVID in a way that we've been told saved lives. And so if you want to learn about the fusion cell model, I really encourage you to check out our other resources and understand that during a crisis, there's no better model that will serve you or your organization or the people that you serve.